Next exercise, back to exercises here, is called the plank exercise. I give people 4 variations, okay, and in a way keep them very simple. So I'll go here so people can maybe see a little bit easier from my angle. This here is, all right, number 1, all right, that's it. That's it, here, that's it. This is it. Number 1, how do we hold our hands, I'm a little bit behind me here, more over or under our shoulders, so shoulders over our hands, and knees more right about our hips here, so our alignment is almost straight vertical, with our body being more horizontal. Okay, some people will do this, and it feels good to them, I'm okay with that, but here is more of a normal standard starting plank that I use for my patients. They'll tell me my back feels sore, I'm like, great, it feels sore, you get to hold that position in this here for maybe that 30 seconds, okay? You want to tuck in your stomach a little bit, because again, we talked about antagonistic muscles, chest and upper back. When you tuck your stomach in, what happens to your back muscles? They fire also. You want them to contract to hold your body kind of firm and straight, your core muscles straight, okay? So to come here, hands underneath my shoulders, knees underneath my hips, and my feet, I like to tuck them in so I'm on my toes. Hold out this for maybe 30 seconds, maybe a minute if you want to, if it feels good to you. Again, feeling good means does not feel painful, feels more so uncomfortable a little bit. Okay, from here, that feels good. What I want to do is now straighten out my knees, so more of my toes, add more load to where? My lower back, my hips, that area, right? Okay, I've taken the load off my knees in the first position. Second position is going to be more load on my toes, and also my hips. Now center of gravity is going to make my core area work harder. Is my back kind of straight? Good. Some people will do this to alleviate the back. I'm okay with that too. But this is more of your standard straight arm plank, okay, where your body stays straight here. Okay? Hold about 30 seconds, so in a minute, great. If not, then hold this and don't go to the next one until you feel comfortable here. Okay? Any questions so far? Next one is going to be, instead of your hands and elbows being straight, more on your forearms. I put my hands together just for balance for 1, 2. And here your legs being straight the whole time. When your toes and on your forearms. Okay, so allow more load to your middle back and upper back, not just your lower back, to make it work a little harder. Okay, you want to keep your back straight. You can rest your body if you want to, a little bit, then come back up. Now some people do this, they'll stay here for 10 seconds, and come down for 10 seconds. You try to do a full minute. If that's comfortable to you, you can if you want to. If you're doing like sports or something, maybe a big Ironman competition, I don't know what you want to do. You can go from here, which I don't recommend for most people, is here. Now from this position on your forearms and on your toes, bring 1 foot up. Hold that for 10 seconds, and then switch. Alright? Who wants to do that one? Nobody. Okay? But if you're an athlete or in a physical job, I kind of want you to get you here, because that tells me your back is as strong as possible.